Namaste. I am S.P. Balasubramaniam. I sing. That's my profession. Why I have to explain about my profession and my name is that everybody thinks that everybody knows me. Unfortunately, in this country, everybody thinks like that. It's not right. We have not done anything to connect with everybody in the world. At least if we start to connect ourselves at our homes, that's better. You may think that I am going little I'm little exaggerating about the connectivity rather. Yeah, in these present days of mechanical living, we don't know literally who is living along with us at home. We don't see our children growing up. We don't see what's happening the next door. Even if something which you cannot digest is happening, you don't want to just go there, tap a door and find out what is happening, or you may be of some good help or something like that. Man has become an island. So at this juncture, now it is the responsibility of everybody to get this beautiful connectivity, to connect with each other, to exchange ideals, to exchange ideas, to share the pain, to share the happiness, to share whatever you have in your own limitations. That's what exactly is Prodigy doing. These guys who are involved in this association, I love this word called association. For lots of so many things you put the name of associations, but people are not associated there. They just sit there for a while and get out, and most of the time they don't know the names, or even if you see the letterheads, there will be lots of names written. They take, of course, the permission of so many bigwigs to be in the list there so that they will get some recognition. But there ends the value of those names there actually. But here it is literally the association of such intelligent people, the inference of which is giving gains to so many children. People have their own businesses, people have their own minds, and if you get a little bit of time, even if I get a bit of little leisurely time, I love to spend with my family, with all these things. These young guys are trying to cater something to the society, first starting with the children. So it is an exemplary idea actually speaking, and started 10 years back, the 2 to 3 persons associated together, and now there are at least nearly a dozen people who are involved in trying to cater something to the up and coming children, students, and sharing is the best part actually. That's what I mean to say. These people who are involved with are not rich people, and they are not loaded with currency, or the only thing is they have knowledge and they want to share it to the other people, and it's an extraordinary job. That's what our ex-president Abdul Kalam was saying, that actually the mentors of the country, the children, they shape themselves up right from the elementary school. If it is the mother at home who shapes their destiny, it is the teacher who shapes their further destiny actually. So now virtually anything is possible through electronic medium. These guys are doing an exemplary, extraordinary job. The only thing I don't like in their site is putting my photograph and saying that I am their mentor. There are umpteen better personalities. There is a beautiful photograph of Sri Abdul Kalam. You can certainly see that he inspires so many people. I may be inspiring people with a little bit of musical sense to sing better and to channel their talent in a better way, for which I'm having my platforms through electronic media. I'm trying to do it. It doesn't mean that I am a perfect person to be called as a mentor for this beautiful job which the kids are doing, the young guys are doing. Actually, they are the mentors of so many beautiful minds, beautiful lives, in whose hands the entire future of, if not this country, the entire universe is there. I wish them all the best in their dreams, rather, in their endeavors. And I feel very proud to have my photograph there in their site as mentor. If I could do something to this prodigy, so I think I pray Almighty that I will be getting some chance to help these wonderful guys who are doing an exemplary job. I wish them all the best. So now there is a lot of there is basically a big change of ideals and thoughts and thinking is happening in the entire world now. Reasons may be different. Let us not bother about the reasons. But now it is ignited now. It's going to take a shape of a beautiful light. And I'm very happy it is traveling in a positive direction. And so many people are coming under one umbrella to think positively, to shape up this country and to guide this country into a proper direction. I think these gentlemen and ladies who are involved in Prodigy will be definitely playing a very important part in that aspect also. I wish them all the best. Jai Bharat. God bless you all.